Unlock a powerful income stream by partnering with YOUNGLA and promoting their sought-after fitness apparel. First, head over to the YOUNGLA website. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. In the footer section, you'll find a link that usually says affiliate program, or sometimes partners click on this link to be taken to their affiliate landing page. This page will outline the key benefits of joining, such as commission rates, cookie duration, and marketing support. Look for a button or link that prompts you to join now, sign up, or become an affiliate. Click that button and you'll be directed to their application form. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and contact details. Crucially, you'll be asked for information about your platform, such as your website URL, social media handles, or any other channels where you plan to promote YOUNGLA. Fill this out accurately and honestly. Once you've submitted your application, YOUNGLA will review it. If approved, you'll receive a confirmation email with your unique affiliate link and access to their marketing materials. Start sharing your link strategically and watch your earnings grow by introducing your audience to the quality and style of YOUNGLA fitness wear.